the car. Bismillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the Qira'atul Quran, when reciting the Quran, Bismillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qabla ash-shurb bil-ma', before drinking water, Bismillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qabla al-uzuhi, the before ablution, Bismillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qabla dukhul al-manzil, before entering the house, Bismillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qabla tanahul at-ta'am, before eating food, Bismillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qabla an-nawm, before sleeping, Bismillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qabla bada al-ikhtibar, before milking livestock, Bismillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qabla ayyi amalin, before any work, Bismillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ajmalu ma ta'allamnahu, the best thing we have learned, Bismillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Thank you. Jazakumullahu